I put a spray bottle on all of my favorite polishes or what we use here in the shop. Wait for it. Don't do this at home, only if you're a pro. Come on, do I have to prime it? Oh, it works. What up, guys? Jamie Bourne Detailer. What is this? Hyper polish, spray polish. Are we scammed? But guess what I did? Check this out. I got all of my favorite polishes, compounds, and I put a spray nozzle on them. Obviously DIY, we got it. We got H9, we got fine polish, and we got that new Meguiar's Pro Speed polish. All what I really like right now, I want to say the starting came from the Optimum Hyper Polish. Everyone likes this. But guess what? I think you could put a spray nozzle on anything and it worked. Let's see how it goes. Reflection Artist Maroon Pad. We're gonna do just like they do it, okay? So guess what I have right here? I like the spray bottle. Look at that. Look at that. You don't need no detailer helper belt, bro. This is right here, American ingenuity, you know what I mean? All right, let's, okay, so first thing people don't understand is when you're actually using spray polish, you're using a lot less. So priming is number one. Okay, we got a nice little damp pad. I'm gonna get, oh anyways, let's see if it sprays. I know it sprays, but let's see it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, oh no, come on, come out. Come out. Oh, what the hell? Oh, 2's for me, bro, all right. So guess it works, oh my God. It's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 passes, up and down. I'm gonna hammer this down, dude. I'm gonna use some decent pressure because this paint is jacked. Okay, let's do this. Oh, swinging a little bit. It's like wetter than I would like. I got it too wet. But still though, this paint is jacked. Dude, look at the etching. Crazy bad. I'm gonna go, I wanna get those out. So let's go, it's still damp. So I can tell you right now, this knot is working, it works fine, and the coverage is fine, but I want more on my pad than just the spray. So let's just add a little bit more, just to get that. Dude, look how nice that is. It works, that's pretty much what we got to. But I want to do a longer spin this next time. So I'm gonna go on to my H9. So let's check it out. Okay, let's go to H9. I'm gonna do from right here to the rest of this panel. I'm gonna do more like, more than, I'll do probably a few passes. Oh, it works. And guess what? Again. So they got something on it. Use less, way less product too. If you're gonna do spray, if you're spraying, use 1/10 of the product. Okay, so let's go hit this up. I'm gonna do my little passes on there. I'm gonna ramp up. So obviously key for no sling. You need to make sure you set it in there longer. So again, it works. It works the same. 2 passes. You probably need to get more aggressive because this is stained like you wouldn't believe. Okay, again, all right, so that works. H9 works. You can use it in a spray bottle. Rupes works. You can use it in the spray bottle. Now this is the one that is our new Meguiar's Professional Pro Speed. Let's do another clean out on our pad. Clean pad again. Meguiar's Pro Speed. I'm gonna do one good spray. You ready? 3, 2, 1. This is the money shot. We don't know if it's gonna go. No, come on, dude. Come on. Bro, primed. Should've did that before. Wait, there we go. Okay, again, reason why it's, oh, look at that, bro. God damn it, dude. Freaking GOAT, bro. Who do you know does that, bro? Oh, okay. All right, you gotta keep that for later. Okay, again, it works. The spray works. But like I said, I would probably have to do more than one spritz. Let's go from here to here. Requires, let's ramp it up. I really like this compound, or this polish. I just think this is just too dry. This runs really dry. The lubricity, the working time isn't the same as you would do with the Rupes. It feels really slick comparisons, because yeah, this does have protection in it versus these other ones is nothing. So it works. It's funny because if it was a gimmick, you use way less with the spray nozzle, if it was a gimmick, right? So if you're gonna use it and you think it's just a gimmick, oh, it's a spray technique, most businesses wanna make more business, make more money, right? So they want you to use more product. It ain't a gimmick to me, it all works. And I could use spray polish or compound at anything, you'll get the job done. It's just personal preference. For me, the new standards, we've been using gold standard. I really like all the stuff I use. We're the pros, I'm the pro. It is what it is. So guys, read the labels. If you're not a pro, don't step out of the box. Read the labels. If it tells you to use piece-size drops, do it. If you're like me and you do this all the time and you want to experiment and you like the way you can hang it on your, on your belt loop, you don't have one of those goofy belts. Who wants to walk around with those belts? I honestly think for me, I love spray bottles. Anytime I want to hook and loop, put it on, you can get the job doing it. But for you keyboard warriors out here running your mouth and don't know what you're talking about, run your mouth. Jamie, Shine Guys, we're out here full effect. Born Detailer, baby. Peace.